Sparkin fam, welcome back to our channel. Today we're here at Kidzuna Cloverleaf, located inside Ayala Mall's Cloverleaf in Quezon City. And this place is basically an indoor playground paradise for kids and families. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted with a bright, colorful, and super lively space filled with slides, ball pits, climbing areas, and pretend playstations. Everything is designed to look fun, safe, and interactive so kids can explore, imagine, and just enjoy being active all day. The vibe here is really energetic and playful, with different zones that look like mini worlds. Perfect for burning energy and having non-stop fun. So today we're going to check everything out, try the activities, and see what makes Kidzuna such a popular family spot. Let's go!
Bili po ice cream.
I want chocolate. Oh, that's not.
Libre po.
Bawal libre. May tanaw ka rin.
Paano ba? Yan, ipitin mo.
It's on the ground.
Nalaglag.
Okay.
Uy, nawa ka ng tindera.
It's okay.
I want strawberry po.
Okay, here's chocolate. Here's chocolate.
Ay, nalaglag na naman.
What do you want? How much you want? That's free.
Ah, may pera. Sige po, million.
Tip.
Million, oh. Ay, tara, may tip. May tip ka.
Thank you. $30.
Wow, sana all may $30. Kaya konti.
Mama.
$50. So that I can buy my own ice cream.
How much is
I want strawberry ate.
the cone?
Okay.
30.
Ah, okay. Okay, and how much is that?
I think that's $3.
There's three. Okay.
Pay.
Okay, here's $5. I still have how much? Wala na sukle.
You have to play $2.
Wala na eh. Okay, ikaw naman bebili.
I wanna buy a cone.
Cone only?
Oh, at the crispy cone.
Yeah,
I want
crispy.
cookies and cream.
Okay, cookies and cream.
Okay.
Yeah, that
Ayan.
one. Correct.
Pati vanilla and cream.
Okay.
Okay, that's $3.
Okay, $3.
$3. Thank you very much. I'm happy with my ice cream.
Kendrick, kailangan naka-slippers ka. Kuha ka doon na yung boots. Kuha mo ng boots. Pink yan. Yan. Saan lalagay? Oh! Oh! Ganun pala yun! Sige. Uy, gusto ko to pizza.
What do you want?
I want pepperoni pizza.
Pepperona.
Pepperoni. I want pepperoni, please, and more cheese. Ayun, si Kendrick.
That's slice.
3 slice para I love you.
3 slice? That's 3 slice?
Kendrick!
Okay, just...
Oh, parang ang sarap naman ito. Daming
Ito
cheese.
po ay Free na po to. May free
Free?
po kayo.
Free shipping. So ay mushroom. This one, what's this?
Pepperoni.
Tomato ata.
That's
to.
pepperoni.
Alright. So dito naman tayo sa dessert.
Okay, what do you want?
So I want chocolate chiffon cake po.
This?
Yes. I want that. I have a lot of money here, oh. Silip.
Hey, no! No ceiling.
Oh, ayan. Uy, kita namin yung ano, cakes.
Isa lang po.
Apa.
Meron pa gusto nyo pa?
May libre ba?
Wala.
I like that. I don't want fruits. Okay, kain muna tayo
Why?
dito.
I want chocolate
Ah.
Wait. Oh my god.
Ba't iniwan na kami ng tindera?
Oh my god, we don't have money. Let's go!
Okay, Candy, what's that? Ang daming train. Ano yan nilalagay? Wow, elevator. Parking.
Let's go.
Beep, 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 beep.
Mama, yes.
Kami alis. Hendrik, idaan mo dito. Oh. Ah, si ate. Wait, kuya! One more. Beauty parlor. Pwede po magpagupit?
Ikaw na magkupit.
Ako na magugupit.
Let's go, where?
Go, magpe-play daw. Arts and crafts. Tara. Let's go!
Ate Jen. Say hi to Ate Jen, ha? Kids, sino marunong sumayaw sa inyo, kids? Okay, halos lahat sila. Dahil dyan, meron akong itutulong 2 basic steps sa inyo. Ready na ba kayo, kids? Music please, Ate Jen. Okay, kaya niyo si Ate, ha? 2, 3. Okay, hands up na, kids.
Pwede ka mag-tumbling, Kendrick. Tumbling. Heart. Heart, Kendrick. Heart!
Oh my god.
Loki. Baka, uy, bawal yun. O sige, challenge. Diyan ka umakyat. Hi! Ayan na, sige po, ayan na. Sige, hilahin mo pa, Gibo. Uy, malaglag ka dyan. Ayan, bike. Go, ikot, ikot. Malaki ka na dyan?